Have you ever wondered why you wake up feeling completely exhausted, even after getting a full 8 hours of sleep? You drag yourself out of bed, reach for that first cup of coffee, and wonder what went wrong. The truth is, modern society has a massive sleep crisis. But it's not about how long you sleep. It's about how deep you sleep. Deep sleep, also known as slow-wave sleep, is the holy grail of human health. It is the exact stage of the night where your brain flushes out toxins, your muscles repair themselves, and your immune system recharges. Without enough deep sleep, your body ages faster, your memory fades, and your risk of chronic diseases skyrockets. Today, we are diving deep into the science of rest. We are uncovering 3 everyday habits that are secretly destroying your deep sleep and exactly how you can fix them to reclaim your energy. The first and most destructive habit is scrolling in the dark. We are all guilty of it. You lie in bed, the lights are off, and you spend 30 minutes checking social media or watching videos on your phone. To you, it feels like a relaxing way to wind down. But to your brain, it's a biological nightmare. Your eyes contain specialized receptors that are highly sensitive to blue light, the exact wavelength emitted by smartphones, tablets, and LEDTVs. In nature, blue light only comes from one source, the morning sun. When this light hits your eyes at 11 p.m., it sends a powerful signal to your brain's master clock, shouting that it is daytime. As a result, your brain completely stops producing melatonin. Melatonin is the hormone responsible for dragging your body into deep, restorative sleep. Without it, you might fall asleep eventually out of sheer exhaustion, but your brain will stay trapped in light, superficial sleep stages all night long. The second silent killer of deep sleep is eating late, heavy meals. After a stressful day, it's easy to indulge in a late-night heavy dinner, a sugary snack, or a couple of slices of pizza while watching a movie. However, your body cannot multitask efficiently when it comes to survival. When you go to sleep with a full stomach, your biological priority shifts. Instead of focusing on cellular repair, brain detoxification, and muscle recovery, your cardiovascular system is forced to direct massive amounts of blood to your stomach and intestines for digestion. Furthermore, digesting heavy fats and carbohydrates significantly raises your core body temperature. Biologically, your body temperature must drop by about 2 degrees Fahrenheit to enter and stay in deep sleep. By eating late, you keep your internal furnace running hot, ensuring your sleep remains fractured and restless. The third habit, destroying your sleep quality, is an inconsistent sleep schedule. Many people sleep for 6 hours during the week and try to catch up by sleeping for 10 hours on the weekend. This is known as social jet lag. Your body operates on a strict 24-hour internal biological clock called the circadian rhythm. This clock controls everything from your energy levels, cortisol production, to your digestion and body temperature. Your circadian rhythm thrives on predictability. When you go to bed at 10 p.m. on Monday, 1 a.m. on Friday, and wake up at noon on Sunday, you completely shatter this internal clock. Your body no longer knows when to release sleep hormones and when to release cortisol to wake you up. This constant confusion leads to chronic daytime fatigue and makes entering deep sleep stages nearly impossible, no matter how many hours you spend in bed. Fixing these 3 habits doesn't require expensive supplements or medical interventions. It requires discipline. Start by putting your phone away 30 minutes before bed, keep your dinners light, and try to sleep and wake at the same time every single day. If you implement these simple changes for just 2 weeks, you will unlock a level of daily energy you haven't felt since childhood. Your mind will be sharper, your body healthier, and your mornings brighter. Which of these 3 habits are you currently struggling with the most? Let us know in the comments below. We read every single one. If you found this scientific breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Healthy Living for more daily guides to a better, healthier you. Sleep well and see you in the next video.